Penny for your thoughts. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls broke in my head. Not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Seagulls gonna come, put me in a coconut, and they did, and me going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids start laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Now run, I can be a backpack while you run, jump and stop, put me down. I love to groove and boogie, yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
But there's your giant feet out there on the beach. Could about run those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Stop it, please. Don't hit me. Please. Don't hit me.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stain?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. Now run. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, jump. Now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there screaming, "Come help me, please!" The seagull broke your knees. Stop it now. Don't fall asleep.